Hello, beautiful family. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Today I share with you this mouth-watering kale soup. Super delicious, guys, and it's easy to make. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before we start, please endeavor to like this video, okay? And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Alright, guys, let's begin. So for you to make this delicious meal, kale soup, you need kale leaves, okay? This is what kale looks like. Very fresh, yes. So now let's transfer in a tray. And if this is your first time meeting my video and you want to improve on your cooking skills, you want to learn how to make varieties of meals and how to bake, this channel is for you. So you go ahead and hit that subscription button. Also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, okay? Thank you. Alright guys, it is time to pick them, okay? As you can see, we are trying to get rid of the hard stem, okay? And please, do not just watch this video in parts. If you haven't tested kale soup before, please continue watching this video to the end. Afterwards, hurry to the market and grab kale leaves because you're making this soup. Kale leaves on its own contains many nutrients and has many potential health benefits that you wouldn't want to miss. Please keep watching, okay? Alright guys, at this point we are done picking. No more hard stems. So now it is time to wash them, okay? Wash them thoroughly with some salt. Sorry, I skipped the part where I added some salt, okay? Alright, so go on and wash with some salt. Make sure they are well washed, clean. Let me especially appreciate my subscribers, both the newest and returning. Guys, your girl is very grateful for your massive love and support. I love it here. I know I won't be here without you guys. So please keep up the good work, okay? Keep commenting, liking, and sharing my videos. God bless you. Alright guys, let's continue. At this point, we are done washing. So you go ahead and transfer on your chopping board and slice them. You can as well use your blender to slice them. Yeah, it even makes it faster. But if you do not have, you go this way. I actually have a blender that can blend it for me or slice it for me, but I'm used to chopping board. So guys, bear with me. Alright guys, go ahead and slice them just like this. This is our star ingredient. So as you can see, we are trying to get it ready, alright? So it is advisable you slice your kale leaves before start cooking, okay? Alright guys, we are done. So moving on to the next one. Here is palm nut extract, yes. So we're going to be making use of it in this recipe. It will serve as our thickener and our palm oil, yes. It's more like using one stone to catch two birds. But know that you can substitute it to cocoyam, yes. You can use cocoyam as your thickener and of course use palm oil. Alright? I think this one is easier and faster. Because if you are using cocoyam, you need to cook it until it is soft and tender and as well blend it or pound with your mortar. So now transfer into a clean bowl, just like you're watching. Now add hot water to it. We're just trying to dissolve it. And hot water makes it easier and fast to dissolve. Now go ahead and stir with your spoon, making sure that they are well dissolved. Yeah, we are done. So it is time to transfer into your pot. Place a sieve on your pot and go ahead and sieve it. Please do not add everything. Once it gets to the bottom, please stop, okay? As you can see. Now, let's transfer on a cooker and allow it to boil, okay? We'll continue cooking until oil starts floating on it. Just like this, guys. You can see some oil floating on it, right? So this is actually what we are looking for. Once it gets to this point, go on in adding your protein. In here we have well-cooked beef shin, honeycomb, and cow foot boneless. So guys, pour that in and stir. Please note that you can use any protein of your choice, okay? The one you can afford. All right, guys, let's allow it simmer or cook for just a minute, okay? And this is after a minute. Go in with your well-washed dry fish. We are making use of dry catfish. Now go on and stir to well combine. All right, guys, this is us checking the consistency and it seems thick. So we're going in with some water just to loosen it up a bit. But if you do love thick soup, do not add more water. Just note that the more you're cooking, the more it thickens. That's what palm fruit juice can do. This is after a minute and we are checking again, guys. Now go in with your ground crayfish, followed by your peppers. Yes, we are making use of scotch bonnet. Add the peppers to your taste, okay? If you want it spicy, increase it. If you do not want, minimize it. Make sure you stir it to well combine. After a few seconds, go in with your seasoning, some salt. Next is our local spice or seasoning. Yes, it is called ogiri. The Igbos understand perfectly what it is. You can use it or you use this, what is it called? Locust bean. It takes the soup to the next level. But note, both are optional. Yes, it's optional. If you do not use it, your soup will still come out very tasty and perfect. But if you can, why not? So now we've added ogiri. You can as well melt it before putting it in. Guys, let's test for salt. Perfect, guys. Now introduce the star ingredients of this recipe, the kale leaves, guys. Once you've added it, go on and stir to well combine. Please, if you have watched to this extent and you've not given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and hit that like button, okay? And if you've not subscribed, please go on and hit the subscription button. If you noticed, we've just added the second batch of the kale leaves. Go on and stir, all right? Now cover it and allow it to simmer for just a minute. Oh my, guys, this is just after a minute. The soup is given. Guys, it is so giving. It looks so delicious. Now we are giving it a nice stir. Guys, we've come to the end of today's cooking. Hope you enjoyed it. Now you take it off the heat. And there you have it, guys. Our tasty, delicious, yummy kale soup is set. Please give it a go, okay? And now it's time to serve. It is looking good, guys. Oh my, tell me you are not salivating right now. Guys, this is a must try. This soup is super delicious and it tastes so good. You will love it. Your family will love it too. Please give it a shot, okay? And remember to share to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out also. Please like and leave me a nice comment if you enjoyed today's cooking. See you guys in my next video. Bye.